brush. Let me show you how to install brushes. So you need to download the brush. You see this one is not working, so let me download the brush. I think I have some few brushes. So brush easy, just go to brush easy, download. Let me just download them, and then let me just download any here, and then paint splatter. Then let me download the free blocked, but just give it time to download. Full it will work. I think the other one refused to work, but I think this one will work. Hopefully I had downloaded this one. Let's see this one. This is the file that is supposed to be working, but I don't know why. But let's give it a try again. Let's just click on that. This is the file that we need. You can extract this file to a specific folder, because I'm supposed to double click on this file, and then it's supposed to come to Adobe. It's supposed to open in Adobe Photoshop. I don't know why it's not opening. It's supposed to open, and then I can see it here. So let's just do it again. Let's what we need just to do now, what we'll do, we'll extract it to specific folder. Let me take it to 3D objects, and then click OK. It has already extracted there. Then I go to that 3D object. I'll find the extracted one. Where is it? This one actually. It is free splatter. Yes. This one I can open with Adobe Photoshop 2024. Let's see if it will open. Supposed to be splatter, and then I come to select the brush tool, and then come here. Has it installed? Yes, it is here. So you already have installed the brush. So let's give it a try for another one. We give it a try for another one. Let's download another one here. So let's say we want to download another one. Don't download the premium one. So you just download this one, Paint Splatter 16. The other one was 20. There, let's just give it time to download. Yes, there we go. Good. So supposed to download here. Let's give it some time for it to download. Yes, just click on that, and then this one is supposed to be the file. Just double click on it. It's supposed to open. Supposed to open. Supposed to open now on this end, but it's not now opening. So what we need to do for now, as we speak, you need to extract this one to a given folder. Extract that one, maybe 3D. Let me extract to 3D. Splatter 16, Photoshop free paint splatter Photoshop brushes 16. So we go to our 3D. We find that one 16. There's been written 16 free Photoshop. It is here. So right click on it, and then open with. Now you open with your Adobe Photoshop. The Adobe 2024. I don't know why it's bringing some error. The 2025 that I want. Yes, now you see here the 16 one. We have installed this one, and then we have this one that has been installed, the 16 one. So you can use it that way. So that is how simple you can install brushes.